host, CHS Baby Neroni.
And I'm Tristan Reynolds, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
Remember, everyone, quarter one ends on Wednesday and quarter two begins on Thursday. Also remember that Friday is a C day.
In case you forgot, a C day is an asynchronous learning day. No classes officially meet, and students can use the day to catch up on any work from quarter one, and the teachers can use it to help with inputting grades.
November 11th is, of course, Veterans Day. We would like to say thank you to two of our Columbia teachers, Mr. John Campbell, who served in the U.S. Marine Corps, and Mr. Michael Steiner, who served in the U.S. Army. Thank you both for your service.
The CHS boys soccer team clinched a state playoff berth Thursday with a 1-0 win over West Essex and finished the regular season with a 7-3 record.
The girls soccer and field hockey teams also made the playoffs. Good luck to all of our Cougar teams. Senior parents who needed help with Midnight Madness. If you can spare some time to help out, please email mm@columbiahsa.org.
Attention seniors, yearbook baby pictures and senior quotes should be emailed to the yearbook committee at chsyearbook1885@gmail.com by December 1st.
And good news for any senior who hasn't had their senior portrait taken yet. Portrait sittings will return on December 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th from 1 to 8 in the auditorium.
To view or schedule your appointment, just visit this address, myloreschedule.lorestudio.com/account/login, or call customer service at 908-964-8200.
Next up, in just 1 minute, we'll take a look at one of our CHS family members. No, we're not taking a commercial break. I'm talking about A Day in the Life of 60 Seconds. This week, we take a look at Vivian Frederick.
Hi, my name is Vivian Frederick, and I'm a 16-year-old musician and producer, and this is a day in my life. I started off my day today by doing a little bit of sewing, currently working on making a shirt out of some old recycled jeans. I actually sewed this dress entirely by myself. The next thing that I do in my day is sit down and do a little bit of homework. I sit down and I work on a song that I have been editing. I recorded this myself. I wrote the song myself. I plan on releasing it when it is finished. Here is a sneak peek to this song. People come and go, that's all I know, but you seem it's clear to me, easy to see, you're not witnessing.
The Loft is back for individual counseling, job assistance, and fun in-person and virtual activities. To get more information or sign up for groups, you can contact Ms. Ebsen at cebsen@somsd.k12.nj.us or call 973-461-6225.
Are you interested in joining CHS Stage Crew? There will be a virtual interest meeting on November 30th at 6 p.m. to learn all about this year's show. If interested, go to this website, tinyurl.com/Columbia-stage-crew. Fill out the Google form to get more information. You can also follow them on Instagram at Columbia Stage Crew.
The SOMSD Parenting Center needs your help to make the holidays magical for all district families. Please support their toy drive in the following safe ways.
You can make an online tax-deductible contribution at this link. Or you can support their GoFundMe by searching SOMSD Parenting Center Toy Drive. Or you can mail a check payable to SOMSD Parenting Center to SOMSD, 525 Academy Street, Maplewood, New Jersey, 07040.
And finally, we have the premiere episode of our brand new show, Mapso Delicious, where our very own Jesse Grossman invites one of you to join him to get a bite to eat.
What's up, CHS? We are back, baby. Mapso Delicious, episode 1. I'm with my boy, Skylar Martinez. What's up, bro? Alright. So, today, we are trying Chutzpah Kitchen, a Mediterranean type food. We're gonna figure it out. We'll see what we want to order. I'm excited, baby. Let's get it.
I want a photo by me, guys.
Shalom.
Salam alaikum.
We're outside Chutzpah Kitchen. We just ordered. We're getting a falafel sandwich that we're gonna split between the two of us. I'm really excited. What about you, bro?
I'm hyped.
Yeah? Alright, let's get it.
Let's go.
Alright, yeah. Update. Food came faster than expected. We got it right here. A falafel sandwich. I'm pretty excited right now. Let's dig in, baby. Cheers. Oh man.
Wasn't that
Oh
so
my
freaking delicious,
God, bro. You know, what I really love about this is the freshness, you know? It's very crisp, has a great bite to it. I'm really enjoying this, man. The sauce is perfect. What do you think, Skyler?
You know the falafel right here? Here's some moist falafel. You don't want no crusty, flaky, dry falafel? This is Mapso freaking delicious. This is say the last bite. That's all I had.
All right, bro. Last bite. This was absolutely phenomenal, man. I highly suggest that if you haven't eaten here yet, you do. I'm very excited about this place.
Hey, yo, Jesse, what are you rating this stuff?
I'm gonna give it like 9.5,
I'm gonna
man.
give it a 9.5.
I'm gonna give it a 9.5.
All right.
That was really good.
Let's get these last bites in.
Cheers, man. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. This food was absolutely delicious. Mapso Delicious, man. Ep.3 Kitchen. Look it up. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'll see you next episode.
I hope Jesse brings back some leftovers. Well, those are all your announcements for the week. I'm Aiden.
And I'm Tristan. Have a great week.